so glad you're here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I want to talk about... Wait, what did I want to talk about today?
Don't touch your face!
Oh, I almost forgot. I'm trying to remember not to touch my face. Hey, can you help me remember not to touch my face? If it looks like I might touch my face, tell me, don't touch your face! Thank you so much. Like I was saying, today I want to talk about COVID-19. COVID-19 is a sickness that lives inside of germs. Since COVID-19 lives inside of germs, we need to find a way to stop those germs. Everybody has germs in their nose and in their...
Don't touch your face!
Whew. That was a close one. Thank you for reminding me not to touch my face. Everybody has germs in their nose and in their mouth. The good news is the germs in your nose and in your mouth won't hurt you. The bad news is the germs in your nose and in your mouth might hurt somebody else. That's why everyone needs to block their own germs from coming out somehow. Do you know what you can use to block your germs from coming out of your nose and your mouth? Is it a pencil? A hamburger? Or a mask? A mask blocks germs from coming out of your nose and your mouth. You're right. Let's try a little experiment. Let's count how many germs come out of my nose and my mouth without wearing a mask. All right, let's count how many germs came out with my mask off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great counting. 5 germs came out with my mask off. Now let's see what happens when I put on this mask I made from an old soft t-shirt. All right, here we go. All right, let's count how many germs came out. 1. Wow, only 1 germ came out with my mask on. So, if everyone wears a mask whenever they go out, most of the germs will not come out of their nose.
Don't touch your face!
Wow, thank you again for reminding me not to touch my face. So if everyone wears a mask whenever they go out, most of the germs will not come out of their nose and their mouth. Whenever I take my mask off after getting home, I wash my hands right away. I like to follow the handy hand washing guide. Wait a minute, have you ever heard of the handy hand washing guide? It's amazing. It helps me remember all the steps to wash my hands. Let me show you how to use it. These are the 20 steps to wash your hands. I know 20 sounds like a lot, but if you look at the handy hand washing guide while you do it, it's much easier. Here, let me show you all 20. First, I roll up my sleeves. Second, I slowly turn on the water, not too hot, not too cold. Third, I get my hands wet. Fourth, I get 1 pump of soap. Fifth, I rub both of my hands together until I see lots of bubbles. Sixth, I give my hand a piggyback and slide. Seventh, I give my other hand a piggyback and slide. Eighth, I fold my hands 3 times like this. 1, 2, 3. Ninth, I give myself a handshake and twist. 10th, I give my other hand a handshake and twist. 11th, I grab my thumb and twist. 12th, I grab my other thumb and twist. 13th, I make one hand into a friendly worm and gently dig into my hand. 14th, I make my other hand into a friendly worm and gently dig into my hand. 15th, I grab my wrist and twist. 16th, I grab my other wrist and twist. 17th, I rinse all the soap off of my hands. 18th, I grab a paper towel and dry my hands. 19th, I turn off the water with my paper towel. 20th, I throw away the paper towel. Now I'm all done and my hands are clean. Great job watching me do all 20 steps from the handy hand washing guide. I'm so happy now that my hands are clean. Thank you so much for listening to me today. I'm so glad I got to show you the handy hand washing guide. Try printing it out and hanging it near your sink so you can try using it just like me. You know, my nose feels really itchy right now. I might need to itch it.
Don't touch your face!
Thank you so much for reminding me not to touch my face. Now I want to remind you of 3 things to do while COVID-19 is here. 1, wear your mask when you go out. 2, wash your hands with the handy hand washing guide. And 3, remember, don't touch your face! Thank you so much for being here. I had so much fun. I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.